Or the fifth pillar, Hajj. Allah, that's where you get the biggest congregation of the people, isn't it? The millions of Muslims come together and you connect. You're making tawaf around the Kaaba. Huh? You're going Arafah in the plains of Arafah where all the Muslims are. You're making tawaf around the Kaaba. Doesn't matter who is black. It doesn't matter who is white. It doesn't matter who is Tablighi. It doesn't matter who is Salafi. It doesn't matter who is Hanafi. It doesn't matter who is Tablighi, Shafi, Hanbali, Malaki, or Nomi. You all unite and bring that togetherness together. See the power. But when we in America, we say, I go into the Salafi masjid, I go to the Tablighi masjid, I go to the Bangladeshi masjid, the Pakistani masjid, I go to the Arab masjid, What is wrong with you? Are we mad people? We connect by nationality. We should be connecting by Iman, by faith. Inna hadhihi ummatukum ummatan wahida wa ana rabbukum fa'budun. Surah Anbiya, the Prophets, chapter 21, verse 92. Allah tells us we are one ummah. We are one people. And we should worship Him in oneness. Why do we separate masjids and people by nationality, by color, and by language? I have no problem if you go for food, because not everybody could eat biryani, and not everybody could eat Arab food, and not everybody could eat junk food. So you probably go for food, mashallah, halal. But don't tell me you're going because of your nationality. Then something is wrong with our Iman. You see how the 5 pillars are connected to people? Oh yeah. As Muslims, connecting and caring and sharing with brothers and sisters is a very important part of this deen and our Iman. Let these radical imams brainwash some of us. We come here, we sit, we sleep in khutbahs, we don't get the message, that's why we miss it. He says, all I need you to be grateful. Allah Akbar. Are you telling me Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not protect the prestige of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Only living for business. That's all our dream. Let me see who shall save you now.